Hello children, welcome for today's crack NEET biology classes. Regular solving of MCQs and practicing at least half an hour per day will help you to prepare your NEET 2024. Try to solve with me children. If not, answers will be given for you. If you don't know why the answer is correct, refer the description box for explanation. The self-taught video lesson of this entire chapter is also attached in the description box. We can get from there children. After reading that also we can solve the questions. Okay, so now let us start with the MCQs. 19th one, meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed prior to ovulation. B, at the time of copulation. C, after zygote formation. D, at the time of fusion of sperm with an ovum. The correct answer is D, at the time of fusion of sperm with an ovum. Next question. The difference between spermiogenesis and spermiation is, in spermiogenesis, spermatids are formed, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are formed. B, in spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while in spermiation, spermatids are formed. C, in spermiogenesis, spermatozoa from Sertoli cells are released to the cavity of seminiferous tubules, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are formed. D, in spermiogenesis, spermatozoa are formed, while in spermiation, spermatozoa are released from Sertoli cells into the cavity of seminiferous tubule. The correct answer is D. D is the correct answer. Now next question. Which of the following layers in an antral follicle is acellular? A, stroma. B, zona pellucida. C, granulosa. D, theca interna. The correct answer is B, zona pellucida. Now next question. So which of the following cells during gametogenesis is normally diploid? A, spermatogonia. B, secondary polar body. C, primary polar body. D, spermatid. The correct answer is A, spermatogonia. Now next question. What is the correct sequence of sperm formation? A, spermatogonia, spermatozoa, spermatocytes, spermatids. B, spermatogonia, spermatocytes, spermatids, spermatozoa. C, spermatids, spermatocytes, spermatogonia, spermatozoa. D, spermatogonia, spermatocytes, spermatozoa, spermatids. The correct order is B. Now next question. The figure shows a section of human ovary. Select the option which gives the correct identification of either A or B with function and characteristic. So just you go through, they are labeled A and B. So here you have to give the correct identification for A or B, which one is correct. So you go through all four options. Now let us find out the answer. The correct answer is B. So corpus luteum secretes progesterone. That is the correct answer. Now next question. So which one of the following statement is false in respect of viability of mammalian sperm? A, sperm is viable for only up to 24 hours. B, survival of sperm depends on the pH of the medium and is more active in alkaline medium. So viability of sperm is determined by its motility. D, sperm must be concentrated in a thick suspension. The correct answer is A. A is the correct answer. Now next question. So which one of the following statements about human sperm is correct? A, acrosome has a conical pointed structure used for piercing and penetrating the egg, resulting in fertilization. B, sperm license in the acrosome dissolve the egg envelope, facilitating fertilization. C. Acrosome serves as sensory structure leading the sperm towards the ovum. D. Acrosome serves no particular function. Can you find the answer? The correct answer is B. The sperm lysins in the acrosome dissolve the egg envelope, facilitating fertilization. Now next question. The correct sequence of spermatogenic stages leading to the formation of sperms in a mature human testis is. So they have given 4 options. A. Spermatogonia, spermatocyte, spermatid, sperms. B. Spermatid, spermatocyte, spermatogonia, sperms. C. Spermatogonia, spermatids, spermatocyte, sperms. D. Spermatocyte, spermatogonia, spermatid, sperms. Can you find the correct option, children? Shall we see the answer? The answer is A. Spermatogonia, spermatocyte, spermatid and sperms. Now next question. In humans, at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiate into A. Spermatids, B. Spermatogonia, C. Primary spermatocytes, D. Secondary spermatocytes. Can you find the answer? It is D. Secondary spermatocyte. Next question. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone known as A. LH, B. FSH, C. GH, D. prolactin. Correct answer is B. FSH. Now next question. The middle piece of sperm contains A. proteins, B. mitochondria, C. centriole, D. nucleus. The correct answer is B. mitochondria. Next question. How many sperms are formed from a secondary spermatocyte? A. 4, B. 8, C. 2, D. 1. The correct answer is C. 2. Now next question. Egg is liberated from ovary in A. secondary oocyte stage, B. primary oocyte stage, C. oogonial stage, D. mature ovum stage. Can you find the correct answer? It is A. secondary oocyte stage. Next one. Which of the following hormone levels will cause release of ovum, that is ovulation, from the Graafian follicle? A. high concentration of estrogen, B. high concentration of progesterone, C. low concentration of LH, D. low concentration of FSH. Can you guess the correct answer? It's A. high concentration of estrogen. Now next one. No new follicles develop in the luteal phase of menstrual cycle because A. follicles do not remain in the ovary after ovulation, B. FSH levels are high in the luteal phase, C. LH levels are high in the luteal phase, D. both FSH and LH levels are low in the luteal phase. The correct answer is D. Both FSH and LH levels are low in the luteal phase. Next one. Match the items given in the column 1 with those of column 2 and select the correct option given below. See, in column 1 they have given proliferative phase, secretory phase, menstruation. Column 2, breakdown of endometrial lining, then follicular phase, luteal phase. Match the correct one and try to find out the answer. Now the correct answer is C. C is the correct answer. Now next one. Changes in GnRH, that is the hormone pulse frequency in males, is controlled by circulating levels of A. progesterone only, B. progesterone and inhibin, C. estrogen and progesterone, D. estrogen and inhibin. The correct answer is C. estrogen and progesterone. Now next question. Select the incorrect statement. A. LH and FSH decrease gradually during the follicular phase. B. LH triggers the secretion of androgens from the Leydig cells. C. FSH stimulates the Sertoli cells with help in spermiogenesis. D. LH triggers ovulation in ovary. Can you find the correct answer? The correct answer is A. LH and FSH decrease gradually during the follicular phase. Next one, identify the correct statement on inhibin. A is produced by granulosa cells in ovary and inhibits the secretion of LH. B is produced by nurse cells in testis and inhibits the secretion of LH. C inhibits the secretion of LH and FSH and prolactin. D is produced by granulosa cells in ovary and inhibits the secretion of FSH. Find out the correct answer. The correct answer is D. Is produced by granulosa cells in the ovary and inhibits the secretion of FSH. Now next question. Which of the following events is not associated with ovulation in human female? A. Release of secondary oocyte. B. LH surge. C. Decrease in estroidial. D. Full development of Graafian follicle. The correct answer is C. Decrease in estroidial. Now next question. The main function of mammalian corpus luteum is to produce A. Estrogen only. B. Progesterone. C. Human chorionic gonadotrophin. D. Relaxin only. Can you tell the correct answer? It is B. Progesterone. Next one. Menstrual flow occurs due to lack of A. Oxytocin. B. Vasopressin. C. Progesterone. D. FSH. The correct answer is C. Progesterone. Now next one. The secretory phase in the human menstrual cycle is also called A. Luteal phase and lasts for about 6 days. B. Follicular phase and lasts for about 6 days. C. Luteal phase and lasts for about 13 days. D. Follicular phase and lasts for about 13 days. Can you find out the correct answer? It is C. Luteal phase and lasts for about 13 days. Next one. About which day is the normal human menstrual cycle does rapid secretion of LH, that is popularly known as LH surge, normally occurs? A. 14th day. B. 20th day. C. 5th day. D. 11th day. The correct option is A. 14th day. Next one. So here also 2 columns they have given. So which one of the following is the correct matching of events occurring during the menstrual cycle? Proliferative phase, secretory phase, menstruation, ovulation, 4 stages they have given. And events also on the side, rapid regeneration of myometrium and maturation of Graafian follicle. Next, development of corpus luteum and increased secretion of progesterone. Next one, breakdown of myometrium and ovum not fertilized. Then for ovulation, again they have written LH and FSH attain peak level and sharp fall in the secretion of progesterone. Now the correct answer is B. Secretory phase, development of corpus luteum and increased secretion of progesterone. Next one. Which one of the following is the most likely root cause why menstruation is not taking place in regularly cycling human female? A. Maintenance of the hypertropical endometrial lining. Maintenance of high concentration of sex hormones in the bloodstream. C. Retention of well-developed corpus luteum. D. Fertilization of ovum. The correct answer is B. Maintenance of high concentration of sex hormones in the bloodstream. Next one. Which one of the following statements is incorrect about menstruation? A. At menopause in the female, there is especially abrupt increase in gonadotrophic hormones. B. The beginning of the cycle of menstruation is called menarche. C. During normal menstruation, about 40 ml of blood is lost. D. Menstrual fluid can easily clot. The correct answer is D. Menstrual fluid can easily clot. So that is what they have asked. It is incorrect about menstruation. Which one of the following is incorrect about menstruation? Okay, next one. So which part of the ovary in mammals act as an endocrine gland after ovulation? A. Stroma. B. Germinalepithelium. C. Vitelline membrane. D. Graafian follicle. The correct answer is D. Graafian follicle. Next one. In human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of A. Combination of FSH and LH. D. Combination of estrogen and progesterone. C. FSH only. D. LH only. The correct answer is B. Combination of estrogen and progesterone. Now next question. So withdrawal of which of the following hormones is the immediate cause of menstruation? A. Progesterone. B. Estrogen. C. FSH. D. FSH and RH. The correct answer is progesterone. A is the correct answer. Next question. If mammalian ovum fails to get fertilized, which one of the following is unlikely? A. Corpus luteum will disintegrate. B. Progesterone secretion rapidly declines. C. Estrogen secretion further increases. D. Primary follicle starts developing. The correct answer is C. Estrogen secretion further increases. Now next question. Ovulation in the human female normally takes place during the menstrual cycle. A. At the mid-secretory phase. B. Just before the end of the secretory phase. C. At the beginning of the proliferative phase. C. At the end of proliferative phase. The correct answer is D. At the end of the proliferative phase. Next one. Which set is similar? A. Corpus luteum, Graafian follicle. B. Sebum, sweat. C. Bundle of his pacemaker. D. Vitamin B7, niacin. The correct answer is A. Corpus luteum, Graafian follicle. Next one. After ovulation, Graafian follicle regresses into A. Corpus atrisa. B. Corpus callosum. C. Corpus luteum. D. Corpus albicans. The correct answer is C. Corpus luteum. Now next one. So in the fertile human female, approximately on which day of the menstrual cycle does ovulation takes place? A. Day 14. B. Day 18. C. Day 1. D. Day 8. The correct answer is A. Day 14. Now next question. So the mammalian corpus luteum produces A. Luteotrophic hormone. B. Luteinizing hormone. C. Estrogen. D. Progesterone. The correct answer is D. Progesterone. Now next question. In the 28th day human ovarian cycle, the ovulation takes place typically on A. Day 14th of the cycle. B. Day 28th of the cycle. C. Day 1st of the cycle. D. Day 5th of the cycle. The correct answer is day 14 of the cycle. Hope children, so you must have gone through all the MCQs. How many MCQs you are able to solve correctly without assistance? Give in the comment box children. So share the video lesson with your friends so that they also can be benefited. If you are watching for the first time, kindly so you can subscribe to get regular updates of video lessons. Thank you children. So we'll meet in the next class.